All right, this is some help with 6.07. The constructed response. Remember, to get credit for your constructed response, you must show your work. So these two problems I'm going to show you are very similar to exactly what you need to do to get full credit. So this one says Marco has a bedroom wall that is shaped like a trapezoid. So that's important. We need a trapezoid with a height of 8 foot. A top base of 10, a bottom base of 13, and in the middle of the wall is a circular window. So that's another important word there, circular, whose radius is 2 foot. What is the area of the wall without the window? All right, so we're going to be talking about area formulas here. And so the area of a trapezoid, if you'll remember, is 1/2. The bases added together, so base 1 and base 2, and the height. So they give us all of the information that we need. And then if we can find the area of the window, if we subtract those two, we'll get the area of the wall without the window. So we want our bases. This is base 1 and base 2 is right here. They give us the height of 8, so we're simply going to plug that into the formula. 10 plus 13 gives us 23 times 8. So in your calculator, 23 times 8, and then divide by 2 should give you the area of the entire wall is 92. Our window is circular, so the area of a circle, remember, is pi r squared. We're going to put in 3.14 for pi. And then our radius is right here, 2 foot, so 2 squared. So 4 times 3.14 is going to give us 12.56. When we subtract those two here, we get that the area of the wall without the window is 79.44, which would round to 79. The second problem gives you a volcano in the approximate shape of a cone and has a diameter of 76 and a height of 4. So we want the formula for a cone. So here we want the volume. It says what is the estimated volume of the volcano? Use 3.14, round to the nearest whole number. So first they give us, remember the volume, here's the volume of a cone, that's on your EOC formula sheet. The volume is 1/3 pi r squared h. So they gave us the diameter. We need the radius. So remember, to get the radius, you simply divide by 2. So we know our radius is 38. So now they give us the height. We have all our pieces to put in the formula. So 1/3. Don't use your pi button. If you use your pi button, you're going to get a little different rounding. So make sure if it says use 3.14 that you type in 3.14. 38 squared times 4. So when you put this in your calculator, then divide by 3, that's what multiplying by 1/3, divide by 3, you get 6,045.54, which would round to 6,046. All right, make sure to show your work before you submit.